Belum na kena turangan nama Ramadoru na.
Turangan nama Ramadoru kita baki. Bila ka mo to tira siri kuwa da tara siya boling karabitabio kenda menda na babi wila kati wila ke. Ni ratu menda ba undo na makso na ngono ko. Era yan ramay sa rumah tunatangi. Sore yan ramay sa laut tuna bale. So nga yan ramay sa tundo na post na Facebook so na emoji biya kan ni tangi. So luto na ngono ngombalita na dawa. Nanonda katali so sayali. So sa may kandi ni kuwa. So bagila tundende mekaku ni makatawa ta kanoto to siliu kani karua menda babi ni natu ni bulan tu mga may na wongo el siri kuwa. Sir na wanga ko saliu may.
Iya, ano na sir na wanga ko ni bikyo na okay kito ro da ba ano may ni tu ko na bikito na bonno ni borro chibikira.
Right.
Ko ni sana chibikira kito ba tele bikyo ni. Pero na matali ko pero garo chiro levanta no buli biso nraki kito no kani ko. Ke ko ni rin kito chumay kito saran kito chumay na matali ko. Ngo na kito sa ba ko te katakan serah. Ada budi kana maru chiro bula long weekend to ko matanda.
Ngori.
Akhirnya nonta gangaru na buli tikina.
Ya bina kam dong kemun raw nraki ang batang-bata to bangko kan daw ti ko babal to
Mena ko ba tuku siya ngandre merkela liribon wani bina kata naka.
Boche na kali
Ya, ona kita.
Di rumah tuh.
Kaya menantaw yung bala buto bangko.
Iya.
Kaya satu tahun tunga bangko sangkay kuringan yung batang-bata na bimbong.
Ada apa tuku no atun dari singa bay Mike.
Tubi yang mas-masangan na yang umu.
Iya.
O senin tapon day.
Right.
Sen rene moderawa.
Iya.
Kaya bang bimbing itang ito kumorana mo
Di nasara. Ada benaka kini tiba kaulah, baka kini bemili tu ibu ya. Ada benaka negara kita di kuat. Losti dokana singa.
Belum bina losti.
Dokana Hawks Bay. Di Sulawesi.
Dombulan my Hawks baby ini seperti masih. And
Benaka be Melina da levu varro chico mai na matali ko eles pede masi losti dokana singa. Sama mai Hawks Bay.
Okay.
Na mataka benaka nikua. O koya batake law. O koya batake law. Na mataka benaka dindai. Bulu benaka be Melina da levu benaka be kula yawa.
Iya.
Tabakede. Saweni. Lautoka.
Belum bina from Laut Tokyo.
Iya.
In this morning welcome to all of you watching us live and everybody right there and us here.
Okay.
Why you staying alone, Samu?
Yeah, because of the
mental
weather.
ti era.
Huh?
Because of the
Mental ti
weather.
era. Elang ka chuna uluna. Good morning to the people now joining from New South Wales, Australia. Malakai, Iberi, Solomon Ingio, Nalachi, Luke Mesa, o Nasamo, Atunalani, Mulbela Tabale. Thank you for joining Ben Daniel this morning. And also to Marika Tudika, Yandasi Tabale, my family member, joining Mrs. Tudika, Lombati Housing. Not forgetting going for the jobbing at Valilevu. It's Marika Tudika.
Demesi mekarua Maxi Tudika got Mrs.
Yeah, got a Mrs.
Oh, Miss Tudika.
Mrs. Tudika.
Oh, I just know Sra now.
Okay. You need to go home, not staying alone. See the relationship.
Every night, you two is very good.
Why?
Because the family they at home,
Yeah.
And every night you sleep because of the weather is very cold,
Yeah.
You put a blanket, you wrap around your body.
Yeah.
Myself staying alone, I can't sleep.
You wrap around your body nga?
I wrap around my body, I can sleep because of the mosquito.
Yeah. Yeah, but ni moto korai wale. Sama satu mai ramata kali bengar ko. Sama cuma kino Bulu na kami sa loto kabe Kulayawa, John Evo, mai Sambeto, o Tevita Suka, Andasia. Mnoto tagongo. Be unai Sileano, o Tuchona Sau sama satu mai. Domeando na Bolruro.
Wow, nice.
May lobo luta ko losalini oskaja ondo.
Don't believe in a cadreus, $.
Miran naka nimbati benaka. Ibilia benaka namataka dikua.
Julum.
You know, when you say dollar, just it's thinking about one fella in Nandi.
Yeah.
Used to say to me
when
you say, "Hey, dollar sia."
Yeah.
He used to mix that word, Mbula and dollar and sia from Bonole.
Now it's $. Yeah. Okay.
Our story.
This is a story about two children.
Yeah.
Not children, they are growing up.
Yeah.
They was participating in the school.
Yeah.
They was very naughty.
Yeah.
So
Like you.
during that time,
Yeah.
they play around. Sometimes they listening,
Yeah.
but they very playful. Eh?
Yeah.
So the teacher,
Dong gitu.
raungan daw gitu.
Yeah.
So the teacher was there one day,
Yeah.
was doing the teaching,
Yeah.
and the topic was this:
Yeah.
if you calculate the mathematical,
Come back tomorrow
yeah,
and give me
right.
the
We will learn
Yeah.
mathematical.
Yeah, the mathematical.
Mathematical,
Yeah.
yeah. Mathematical set, yeah.
Yeah.
So they coming.
Yeah.
They coming. Okay,
Yeah.
the answer is 10.
Yeah.
You need to plus two numbers
Yeah.
so that it can equal to 10.
Right. Okay.
Give me
So
10,
students
yeah.
they come along. These two they never doing their homework.
Yeah.
So they going in the afternoon they play.
Yeah.
They come back in the morning. People are 7 plus 3, madam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10.
Right.
9 plus 1, 10.
Right.
2 plus 8, 10. 5
Yeah.
plus 5, 10. Like that. Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Answer will be
10.
10.
3
So-
plus 2, 10.
3 plus
Siapa?
2, 10 gonna. So they was saying that. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, 6 plus 4, 10.
Mm.
Okay, come. John was in
Sama
front.
routen
On
go.
routen.
Iya.
John, why you never doing your homework?
Iya.
He point at Jobe.
Iya, harus serangan nong.
Iya.
Right.
He point at Jobe. Go santo siyo chope.
Iya.
He point at Jobe. Jobe,
Iya.
you,
Iya.
John.
Iya.
So they pointing each other.
Ada milyu.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
they whose fault? Who? Ni raw sampai tak ya, tapi sini chicken mo homework John. Why you never complete the
Oh,
homework?
iya, okay, alright,
He
alright.
point at Job.
Oh, iya, iya.
So Jobe,
Yeah.
Jobe point at John.
Iya, iya. Iya.
Who's doing?
Right.
O they sin nakaba.
Right.
Jobe.
Iya.
Tapi sini chicken na muchone.
Iya.
Jobe.
Tapos ang reasoning kasi mo.
Okay, sangga reason.
Tapos gitu kuno kasi mo libero.
Please come up, stand up, listen, student.
Iya.
Come up, John.
Keep quiet,
Keep quiet, keep quiet. We have to listen to these two.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus two numbers will give you 12.
Iya. Oh, sabi saw.
Abisaw.
From 10 to 12.
10, 12. We have to, because these two,
Iya.
Yeah.
Always playful.
they playful. When it
Yeah.
comes to exam, they
Iya.
pass.
Iya.
So teacher
Yeah.
realize
Yeah.
that these two
Something
got
must be wrong.
Yeah.
something. They got smarting head. Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Runguni mo kuno ko.
Right.
Even though they play, when it
Smarting
comes to
head.
exam,
Smarting head.
Iya.
even though they do that, they come to exam, they pass.
Yeah.
Pass well.
Iya.
So the teacher want to
Test them.
them.
Iya, iya, iya.
Not 10,
Iya.
Yeah.
going up.
Iya.
Give me-
Messi.
Yeah.
Messi.
Yeah.
I better English from you, eh?
Two. Two. And two numbers
Yeah.
to give you 12.
Right.
So everybody was wondering, oh, how these two gonna tackle this
Right.
answer.
Iya.
So, John first,
Iya.
Job on the left.
Right.
To give two numbers to 12.
Yeah.
John was count only five on the right,
Iya.
5 on the left.
Start.
Nothing is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Iya.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's that.
Iya, iya.
That's the rule. See this? See this?
Iya, iya.
If you never complete this answer,
Yeah.
you'll receive this. This
Give
way
me two
back.
numbers to make it to 12.
Yeah, this way back in 90s.
Iya.
So that time allowing,
Yeah.
that's the ruler.
Iya.
So
Trekta.
traktor na keli-keli.
Iya.
1, 2, 10.
Iya.
If 10, the
Stop
finger
there.
finish.
Stop there.
Stop there because the finger is up to 10.
There is a fit. There is a fit.
Eh,
Sabi mo ko na doon ng gangalo.
eh.
Sabi doon ng gangalo only 10.
Eh.
Hey,
Eh.
I told you two numbers to 12. 1, 2, 3, 10. Where's the say, madam, this I got only 10.
Iya.
Why 10?
Iya. Oh, 10.
Why 10?
Iya.
Please, can you give me your two fingers so that I complete to 12? I want to share by your finger. Atulo ka, berito kan rami ito na na?
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
yeah,
4,
yeah,
5, 6, 7. Why 10?
Iya.
Why 10 only fingers?
Yeah,
Sabi ko, give me another 2. To supply to 12. Ranggor-ranggor nang ko dibuli.
Must be from Moy dulu, eh?
Din rami tisukan naman ng gagalo.
Iyo. Abina, ando ro terhadap na cinta sang ko hasin raw sang ko eksenga ayo mo nakira nang ganggal saka.
Satu ke, boy.
Ina ba yung BSP wat kay punjes.
Kira sa kira nom ng gagalo. Sa tibun rami dito ni bukan main.
Nakali.
Rega ngone. Iya, kila nonta, oke da scientist ke nonta ngolikina.
Iya.
Gemayali chuko mo mo tento to menta da rede istara mata ngone, batra kake tenta pa toronga. Enta baka ta nonta paka saba na wili. Rada nonta wili. Laku bango Uca sangin dale. Gaisita kono nonta da gole patra.
Iya.
Go. Uca antu misano go. Mayali tentu stata lema ye.
Gori.
We. Iya, saya kok juga. Sono ngono sa, Wili kan dali kamu, cini kan tuh, Wey.
Ramandi, mbula bina. Johnson turanga militu ibuya, Basilio baka tuturangani.
Iya.
Iyo.
Demesi. Nangono mandan no mubuli, hindi nang kas ni bulin to, sen ulo ledaban ren restaurant.
Nada bimoku selo manyaw.
Na siya nga, sen be moku.
Iya.
Siya ni tukun ni be moku.
Iya.
Na vana ya bakabiti, na be bakatabulidi. Koribule?
Iya bimoku elu mena namoku ngai murre baka tabuli. Elu namoku murre namosi.
Iya.
Sanggal lantu mena baka tabuli.
Mau ni pinakan murbe tokani ronga dah nang gitu ni nrua nambo ni matongo.
Gori.
Kata pada seseorang. Sa mau ni tu ni nangole ni bakal lebu tali kala bakal cini. Nambo ni duo dai.
Iya.
Kesasengan ko saseng.
Asenga nanuma.
Iya.
Kenda wait umbele motiv mati.
Sana.
Iya unang boleh ya.
Iya.
Ona nguli sumu boleh cara benar rebol seperti.
Oh, no, sisi gitu
Iya.
Makan tua.
Right.
Makan tua.
Aku samu.
Iya.
Oh ya,
Kaya unat lah boleh mengen karawiku.
Kusay naka ndiu ano naka bawang sa tingo na St. Rox Bay.
Dong bola.
Waipuku Rau. New Zealand stio mena ano naka bis. Bilo chona o tusay wata kirto na chef. And mabile ko lomani. Ora kina chef o mabile ko lomani. Pero boleh usar titilia andi siro
Tu chief. Dong bola. Iya, kita sada sa kondi bina tena mati minin ruwa kena matang bala ni batang rangi.
Right.
Sanga bukan lu likuan ta sabi bakana dumitian ni baleta na itu beso. Nrakingo.
Iya.
Anggaru ni bina na ngumbula pambibitor ni soli.
Gori.
Asto kini na be seola ni ira kan tangan ang kasilak.
Iya.
So nang ngonan datu tubang konto bagul takto ng mata-mata.
Tutupin rom.
Tagaru non tambula.
Alright.
Iyo. Wala bina kang konde mes.
Ko kurmundo.
Samungo.
Ni kalau ngata